If you like to smoke meats or you have a meat smoker in your life you want to give a really great and thoughtful gift to, this is it, guys. It is a meat smoking guide. It is magnetic, so you're just gonna stick it right on a non-hot surface, such as the side of your smoker, your grill, an area that doesn't get hot. You could stick it on your fridge, your meat freezer, whatever. I was sent this to review, but I'm really impressed with the quality and how helpful it is. It goes over like everything you need. You've got the meat type, the smoking temperature, the approximate time, the internal temp, and the recommended wood. So cool to have that on there. You can even just take a picture of this to have on your phone for when you go shopping, and then have this on hand at home for when you're cooking. And then you've got the different cuts of beef, pork, poultry, lamb, venison, game bird, and seafood. Makes it so easy. No more looking on your phone. No big guidebook to have, like just one paper size thing. And again, it's a magnet, so you don't have to stick it to something, but it's handy if you want to. It feels really nice, like a laminated kind of feel that's gonna be durable. It's amazing. Really great to have on hand if you are smoking meats.